Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Today we're back with another video for y'all. We got a couple of jobs on the schedule. We're doing, this little house here in Ybor City, which is almost to downtown Tampa. We're doing the front over here, the sidewalks, and they have a little deck back there behind the house. I'll be doing. I got 2 more jobs on the schedule for the day, and y'all tag along. Also, I want to thank everybody for subscribing. Like I said, I'm doing something for 500 subscribers. When I hit 500, I'm giving out a ball valve. So right now, I think I'm at like 493. So hopefully by this weekend, I hit the 500, and somebody be getting a brand new ball valve. And I'm talking about a DN10, not no crap. You know what I'm saying? Real stuff that I use. So yeah, man, check out the video. I'm about to start right now. I'm probably gonna start downstreaming this concrete here in the front, this pavers over here. The house is not that bad, so I'm not gonna go too crazy, and the deck is not that bad also. So, all right, guys, let's get to work. Alright guys, so we'll be here on this deck. Not applying no high pressure, we're just soft washing it. Just a downstream mix. Let it dwell for about 10 minutes. Start rinsing. They have 2 decks identical. Got one over here and then one over there. So I had 2 hoses bust out on me today, man. So I have to move the truck closer to knock out this side, and then get another hose, man. What can you do? Well, yeah, man, let's keep working. Second side of this patio is soaked up. I got some rain moving on me, man. I gotta get going. Look at this rain coming on me. Hope that don't mess up the rest of my day, but I'm gonna let this dwell for about not as long as the other one, probably like 5 minutes. I'm gonna start rinsing this so I can get out of here. Guys, we're over here set up at the second job. We're doing this big driveway. Also gonna be hitting this fence around over here. He's actually gonna get it painted, so all I have to do is knock off the lichen and the algae off of it. It's mostly lichen though. It's a metal fence, pretty rusty too. So he already told me, you know what I'm saying, he just wanted me to hit it, you know what I'm saying, get all that off. and then we're gonna be doing this driveway. This is the front that goes to the street, and all that behind me. So I'm gonna be downstreaming this with the big injector. I let that dwell for about 15 minutes. Make it cut like butter when you're ready to clean it. But yeah, should be in and out of here. Shouldn't take us that long. And I think we got one more not too far from here. Right now we're in Odessa, Florida, which is what's that, northwest Tampa. So yeah, man, let's get to work. Alright guys, so we've been dwelling for about 10 minutes. I think it's safe to start, go ahead and surface clean this driveway here. It's a low spot right here in the middle. So I'm gonna start here so I can get this area cleaned up so it won't be that much water. Because if I start over there, all the water is gonna pool right here. You know what I'm saying? Right around this area. So I'm gonna start here in the bottom, work my way up, and then rinse it, I'm saying, when I'm done. We're gonna do this driveway in 2 sections, make it easy on us, all right? Let's go. Guys, it's starting to rain a little bit, so I won't be able to record some of this. I'm gonna go ahead and put my poncho on and keep on trucking, man. guys, we're all done over here with this job. Took a little while because of the rain. But we got it done. I got some post treatment sitting on there just to brighten the concrete up some. The rain has been coming down on and off. So that last job I'm gonna postpone till tomorrow morning. It's getting chilly out here too. Florida's bipolar. You don't know what you're gonna get. You might get sunny, in the next hour you might be cold, then it might be raining. You don't know what you're gonna get down here. But the driveway is looking good. Customer paid me. She left me the clicker. I gotta close the gate. And that last job I'm just gonna do tomorrow, man. I'm not even gonna be out here in this weather. So yeah. So 500, guys. Let's get to 500 over the weekend, and somebody's getting a new bulb out. All right, man. Till next time.